Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to link Pokemon Go to Pokemon Trainer Club account. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Pokemon application on your phone, and I want you to go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, you should scroll down till you find account. And now once you head to account, you have here this option, link. So simply click on link a Pokemon Trainer Club account here in this section, click on link. And after that, it will jump you directly to your browser. Click on continue. And now you will have to click on create an account. And after you click on create an account, you will now have to provide all your data, include date of birth and country and username and so on. And you'll have to link a Gmail or email to this account. Then you'll have to agree to terms and conditions. And now you'll have to enter your screen name. So pick a name for you, then click on continue. And now you have the account. Now get back to your application, Pokemon Go. Then go back and click on this cogwheel icon. And now go back and click on link. Then sign in using your account. And you're all done. And that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. And see you in a new Pokemon Go tutorial.